directly across from William Hancox Park, and situated within the popular Upper Beaches neighbourhood of Toronto. Welcome to 7 Brockville Street. Ideal as a starter home and perfect for empty nesters, this 2-bedroom, 2-washroom stacked townhouse is move-in ready, extremely low maintenance, and close to exceptional neighbourhood amenities. The ceramic tiled foyer steps up to an elegant living room finished with upgraded wide plank flooring, its deep rich color contrasting beautifully with the soft neutral color palette of this entertaining space. Light-diffusing blinds on the west-facing windows also provide privacy, while the niche space along the windows can also accommodate a sitting or office area. The kitchen is both beautiful and functional, showcasing upgraded floor tiles, upgraded chocolate-colored cabinetry, a stone counter, as well as a stainless steel double undermount sink and appliances. The kitchen has space for a cozy breakfast area, and its sliding door walkout opens onto a large east-facing balcony, extending the entertaining to the outdoors during the warm weather months. Completing this level is the east-facing master bedroom, which is carpeted for extra coziness and has ample closet space. And this bedroom does enjoy almost exclusive use to the adjacent 4-piece washroom, which features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity with stone counter and undermount basin. To the lower level is an upgraded oak staircase and railing with wrought iron spindles, and this level features a ceramic tiled landing, a laundry area, a carpeted bedroom with a walk-in closet, as well as a 4-piece ensuite washroom with ceramic finishes, and there is also direct access to and from the single-car garage on this level. Just steps to TTC service, this home is also walking distance to an arena and a community centre, Danforth Avenue shopping, restaurants and entertainment, as well as the Danforth GO and Main Street subway stations. The vibrant beach neighbourhood is also close by, and it's just a short drive to the Don Valley Parkway to connect to the Gardiner Expressway and Highway 401 for commuting throughout the GTA.